$77, huh?
And then those beef jerkies, I think, for one, right?
The round one?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're 3 for $1.
That's what they got for the bait here at Brown's. It's tackle right there. Appreciate it. What is that, crab?
Yeah.
I need hooks. Alright, so this is a fish bite. About to put it on the hook. See what we get. The fish bite on this rod. Found this one on the floor. We're gonna go out there first. Just like that. Damn, that was a good throw. Alright, now leave it here. Shrimp that we found on the floor, which is my wife's. Guys, so on this micro rod, I'm gonna put a little jig, something so that I could catch the baby like fish, so I could put a cut bait or live pinfish on this hook. Update, we still haven't got a bite on this one, which is the fish bite, crab scent. This one I actually caught a fish on right now. We just released it. Alright guys, I'll release these little fish. He's fat. Little catfish, we're not looking for catfish. Right, babe?
No, not
We're looking for pinfish and little piggy perch and all that, so we could put on the big rod. Let me show y'all what I got going on. She had a bite on this Zipco, but it got off because she didn't know how to hook set it. But once we get a little pinfish, man, we're gonna hook it up on this fish finder. Catch a big old drum. Say, I don't know how long we're gonna be here though. A big old contender.
All because of me.
We put a piece of shrimp and some some guys down over there, he gave us this shrimp. So that's what we're gonna put the fish on it to keep it. Let's make it. So they know what's that, 14 and a half, that's a keeper. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on the string that boy gave to us. If we see him, we'll shout him out. Yeah, I'm about to throw this one out. So I put a fish bite, shrimp, fish bite on the big rod because I ain't had no live bait or cut bait. quick update, guys. Got this one out there that we caught the drum on. The drum is actually down here. And then I got my girlfriend's over here with the zip code push button, waiting for the big takedown. We got the big rod over there, the big rod. And then we got the little sabiki over there. So I'm thinking Samuel's over there catching trout. They moved up to the front. So we got Dad, Samuel, and Cheyenne over there in the corner. Hopefully they're catching something. So we'll get back at you whenever we get the fish, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna pack up everything because we only got one fish. I was trout fishing, got a couple bites, seen a couple gator trout, but we didn't really hook up nothing, so stay tuned. Appreciate it. Drum?
Oh shit, man.
Yeah, it's the guy who gave us the stringer. Appreciate it, man. Yeah. Good luck. Hopefully, Young Poppy Fishing. Alright, search me up, man. So y'all subscribe, man, like, comment, subscribe, you know what it is. We out here at Rivera. I'll just put the keeper right there. When we get home, guys, I'm gonna fillet him for y'all. Show y'all how I get down. Alright guys, just made it home. I'm about to fillet this fish for y'all. Gotta take it to the bag, cut the head off, take all the guts out, get some good fillets for y'all. Put it in the freezer overnight, and then we'll cook them for y'all. Put the fillets in here. It's a knife I'm gonna be using to fillet him up with. Let's get into it, guys. So I came to the back, put up the fish on the table for y'all so y'all could see me fillet it up in action. Appreciate it to the guy out there on the pier who gave us this stringer, man. It's a real heavy duty rope. Save that for our future fish. Here's this nice little drum, 16.5 inches. Caught it at that pier, about to fillet it for y'all guys. Usually what I do is flip it this way. Put your knife on this side of the head. Just cut that. My knife is a little bit dull because I've been cutting fish already, man. So once you make that first cut this way, you're gonna want to turn it this way. Make a little cut coming back down all the way till you get back over here. What I like to do is use the back of the knife to scrape some of them scales off. So once you scrape all them scales off, then you can run your knife through there. Get a good little fillet off of it. Just like that. So as soon as you make those two first little cuts, you could actually flip this over, start getting that meat. See that, guys? know if y'all can see it, but so once you do that, you're gonna just want to go against that rib bone, that rib cage. Just slice and slice and slice till you get to the bottom. Once you get here, you can poke this knife all the way through and just slide it. Okay. Just keep filleting that fish off. Just like this, my boy. Just keep going and going until that fish finally releases. And then you got yourself a clean fillet. So that's one. Let me get the other side for you. So the same thing to the other side. Now you got two good fillets right there, guys. Now let's take the skin off. This you put in the baggie. I just gotta take this skin off. So what I do is I cut this out. And then I'll go hold the knife sideways a little bit. Make a cut. And just make sure that we get all the meat off of this skin. By aiming that knife down a little bit and just dragging it across. Now look at what we get left with. A nice slab, skinless drum. Same thing to the other side. Cut this little fat belly part off. Get you this little piece right here. Make a little indentation. Just like any other bass, any other fish that we're gonna be filleting on this channel. Straight like that. Let's get this meat off, guys. Just like that. Perfect. Just gotta wash it up, clean it up, guys, and there you go. Two good fillets. There you go, guys. So that's how you do it. Appreciate y'all for watching another video with Young Poppy Fishing. Make sure you comment, like, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys, for more fishing content.